Tomatoes are a staple ingredient in kitchens around the world, but there is more to them than meets the eye. Often mistaken for vegetables, tomatoes are actually fruits, specifically berries, because they develop from the ovary of a flower and contain seeds. This simple fact is the first of many surprises about tomatoes, a food that has traveled across continents and shaped culinary traditions for centuries. Originating in South America, tomatoes were first cultivated by ancient civilizations like the Aztecs and Incas. They were later brought to Europe in the 16th century by Spanish explorers. At first, Europeans were hesitant to eat tomatoes, believing they were poisonous due to their bright red color and resemblance to other toxic plants in the nightshade family. Over time, tomatoes gained acceptance and became a crucial ingredient in European cuisines, particularly in Italian, Spanish, and Mediterranean dishes. One of the most interesting aspects of tomatoes is their versatility. They can be eaten raw, cooked, dry, or turned into sauces, soups, and juices. From the simplicity of a fresh tomato salad to the richness of a slow-cooked marinara sauce, tomatoes are central to countless recipes. Their ability to blend with various flavors makes them a favorite ingredient for chefs and home cooks alike. Tomatoes are not just delicious, they are also incredibly nutritious. They are packed with vitamins, especially vitamin C and vitamin A, which boost the immune system and promote healthy vision. Tomatoes are also rich in potassium, an essential mineral that supports heart health. But the real superstar in tomatoes is lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that gives tomatoes their red color. Lycopene is known for its ability to protect cells from damage, reduce inflammation, and lower the risk of certain diseases, including heart disease and cancer. Despite their health benefits, tomatoes have some quirks. For instance, they are sensitive to refrigeration. Storing tomatoes in the fridge can dull their flavor and alter their texture. To enjoy tomatoes at their best, it is recommended to keep them at room temperature until they are ripe. Once ripe, they can be refrigerated briefly to extend their shelf life. Tomatoes come in a variety of shapes, sizes, and colors, from the tiny, sweet cherry tomatoes to the large, juicy beefsteak variety. There is a tomato for every preference. Beyond the traditional red, tomatoes also come in yellow, orange, green, and even striped varieties. Each type has its own unique flavor profile, making tomatoes a fun and diverse ingredient to experiment with in the kitchen. One of the most surprising facts about tomatoes is their cultural significance. In some places, they are celebrated with festivals, such as La Tomatina in Spain, where people throw tomatoes at each other in a playful food fight. This tradition highlights how tomatoes have become more than just food. They are a symbol of joy, community, and shared experience.